how to make your iPhone keyboard silent fast or turn off keyboard sound. So there are two ways to do it. The first way is to press and hold on the action button to turn your phone to silent mode. So now it is in silent mode. Now if you have other function assigned to your action button, then you can go into settings, and in settings, if you go down to sounds and haptics, you can turn on the silent mode in here. Now this will temporarily silent all the sound on your iPhone, including keyboard sound. So here if I start to type, you can see it will make no sound. Okay, so if I turn off silent mode, now when I type on the keyboard, it will make that tap noise. So that is one of the way. The other way is to go into settings and then tap on sounds and haptics. And down here, if we go down and tap on keyboard feedback, then tap on sound, this will allow you to switch off keyboard sound. So if you want to have all the sounds on your device, but you just simply want to turn off the keyboard sound, then we can go in here and switch it off. And this will basically turn off the keyboard sound as well. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.